Fatigasi tells us more.
Another press briefing by the Ministry of Justice providing journalists and members of the public with updates and information on the progress of the ministry's activities as part of its policy to promote transparency and accountability in government. The leaked audio of a conversation between a state attorney, Sheriff Tambedou, and wife of the first accused, Yankuba Baji, in the NIA 9 trial sparked a controversy on social media and amongst Gambians. Sharing his take on the matter, the minister supported lawyer Tambedou's decision to withdraw from the case.
I believe it is the right thing to do under the circumstances. His withdrawal will hopefully now allow the prosecution team to focus on the more important task of establishing criminal accountability for the unfortunate death of Solo Sunday.
The incident has not only compromised the integrity of Prosecutor Tambedou, but threatens to undo the ministry whose integrity was defended by the Attorney General and Justice Minister. The Justice Ministry has and will always work within the doctrines of professionalism, according to Minister Tambedou.
Having listened to the audio recording, that the said meeting could reasonably be interpreted as creating the impression that my decisions as Attorney General could be influenced by extraneous factors. I wish to state for the record that all the decisions that I have taken since my appointment as Attorney General and Minister of Justice have been based purely on professionalism and in the best interest of the country, without any undue influence from anyone, including family members.
The Attorney General declined to further comment on a resignation letter he purportedly tendered to the presidency as a result of the audio saga. Other matters, such as the freezing of former President Jammeh's assets, came to the fore as the Attorney General disclosed discovery of more assets.
We continue to receive additional information in respect of a significant number of assets purportedly belonging to him and his close associates. We, however, want to make sure that the reports we are getting about ownership of these latest assets are factual and accurate. We have now filed a supplemental list of assets before the High Court in Banjul for the inclusion of these newly discovered assets in the freezing order. So far, this new list includes 49 additional landed properties located in the Greater Banjul area, bringing the total number of known landed properties owned by former President Yahya Jammeh to 180 in the country.
The minister also announced that the ministry intends to embark on a countrywide tour to engage the public in discussions about the Truth, Reconciliation and Repatriation Commission that is set to begin work.
We hope to start this public engagement tour in early August 2017, so that the finalized draft bill will be tabled before the National Assembly in September.
Victims of human rights violations and abuses of the former president are all encouraged to reach out to the ministry, as the Justice Department welcomes the establishment of a Human Rights Center for Victims of Violations. After a thorough review of the 1997 Constitution by a cross-section of participants from Gambian communities, the minister revealed that a new reformed and revised constitution shall be adopted.
The draft constitution shall be put to a referendum for adoption by the people of the Gambia. The proposed new constitution of the Gambia shall be one that reflects faithfully and accurately the views of the generality of Gambians, both at home and abroad.
Minister Tambedou also made mention of other committees, such as the Criminal Case and Detention Review Panel, that has successfully reviewed all cases under its purview. According to the Attorney General, significant progress has been made in the criminal justice and media law reforms. The Justice Ministry's collaboration with the international community has been a fruitful one. The cooperation could include the extradition of Usman Sonko, but the Attorney General and Justice Minister said they have no plans to extradite the former Jammeh